Certainly, there are various house design models to consider, each with its own unique features and architectural style. Here are a few popular house design models. Contemporary. Contemporary houses emphasize a clean, minimalistic design with large windows and open spaces. They often incorporate modern materials like glass, steel, and concrete. Modern. Modern houses typically feature a simple geometric design, open floor plans, and large windows. Flat or shed roofs are common in modern house designs. These houses often prioritize functionality and utilize innovative materials. Traditional. Traditional houses are inspired by historical architectural styles and often feature classic elements such as pitched roofs, dormer windows, and detailed molding. They exude a warm and timeless charm. Colonial. Colonial houses are characterized by symmetry, brick or wood siding, and prominent entryways. They often have a rectangular shape with a centrally located front door and evenly spaced windows. Mediterranean. Mediterranean houses draw inspiration from countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. They often feature stucco exteriors, red-tiled roofs, arched doorways, and wrought iron details, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Cottage. Cottage-style houses are cozy and charming, featuring steeply pitched roofs, dormer windows, and often stone or wood siding. They evoke a quaint, rustic feel and are often associated with countryside living. Craftsman. Craftsman houses are known for their detailed craftsmanship, exposed rafters, overhanging eaves, and front porches with tapered columns. They often incorporate natural materials like wood and stone, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. Ranch. Ranch-style houses are characterized by their single-story, low-to-the-ground profile. They often have open floor plans, large windows, and simple, functional designs. Ranch houses prioritize convenience and accessibility. Victorian houses are elaborate and ornate, featuring intricate detailing, vibrant colors, and decorative trim. They often have steeply pitched roofs, turrets, and wraparound porches, reflecting the architectural style of the Victorian era. Tudor-style houses are recognizable by their half-timbered exteriors, steeply pitched roofs, and decorative chimney pots. They often have a medieval cottage-like charm and are popular for their unique and cozy appearance.